You've heard a quarter note groove. You've heard an eighth note groove. But have you heard a 16th note groove? Well, now you have, and I'm going to tell you how to play it. So, unlike most of our normal grooves, where we have the right hand staying over here on the hi-hat and the left hand playing the snare drum, we're going to put both hands over here on the hi-hat and we're going to play a group of 4 notes. So we get right, left, and we're going to count it 1, E, and A. You want to do that 4 times. So we get 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. All right, left. Make sure you start with the right. Now, when we get to beats 2 and 4, we're going to move that right hand down to the snare drum. So you then get 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. Get that flow in. 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. And lastly, add a bass drum on 1 and 3. So again, that's going to be that first right of each group of 4, but just on beat 1. So we get 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. Try and keep the volume of both hands on the hi-hat as even as possible, and now go and play basically every disco song you can imagine, probably. I think every single one. 3, 4. 1.